Smart Activity Builder is an activity that you can create. Here's an example. These are different types of family in British society. I'm just going to make the screen full screen so that we can see the activity better. And I've set up the activity so that only the correct terms for types of family stay on the screen. Those that are not correct disappear behind the central image. So how did I create this? We're going to have a look. We're going to create an activity called Healthy Food, and I'm going to set up my screen before I create the activity. I've got some items of food. I'm just going to add one more. So go to the gallery, type in the search food, and select one more item from the pictures. To do this, you just drag them in. You might find the pictures a little bit young for our students, but sometimes they're useful. So there's the picture. To create the activity, I need to go to Activity Builder, which is in the add-on menu, the blue jigsaw puzzle, and click Activity Builder. So I've got all my objects on the page and I've got Activity Builder open. Select the central image which rejects or accepts the items, click Edit, and then you'll see that that has become the main image in the activity. Now I'm going to select the objects that won't disappear, so I'm going to drag them to reject these objects. I want to leave the correct answers on the board and I want the incorrect answers to disappear, but you could set it up in a different way if you wish. There we are, the healthy food will stay on the board now. The unhealthy food I could do one by one, or I could just click Add All Remaining, and then they appear in there, and you can see there's a tick and a cross by each item to show whether it's going to be accepted. Click Done, and then see what happens when you drag the objects. So that's Activity Builder, which is available in the add-ons menu.